Hi, my dear students. You are welcome to my Durgam English Coaching YouTube channel once again. In the morning session, we have successfully completed abstract nouns of quality, which are derived from adjectives. విశేషణము నుండి abstract noun తయారు చేసేది ఎలా? ఒక పదము చివర కొన్ని అక్షరాలను చేర్చి మనము abstract nounని సృష్టించుకున్నాం. abstract అంటేనే సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ న్యూలీ ఫార్మ్డ్, framed. So, abstract nouns are of three kinds. Already we know very well. Now, in the morning session, the first one, abstract nouns of quality, what suffixes we have to join, how to make them, that we learned. Now in the evening session, let us learn abstract nouns number 2. Abstract nouns which are formed from verbs. That means action. The abstract nouns which we form with the help of verbs tell us the action, the work done. So just like a word, abstract nouns formed from verb also tell us the work done, the action done. So number 2, abstract nouns number 2. Number 2, abstract nouns of action, that is work done, formed from verbs. Because these nouns are formed, abstract nouns tell us the work. The work. What is the action word? What is the work telling word? That is verb. So, number 2, abstract nouns of action are formed from words. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟ, ಆದರೆ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕೆಂಬ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೃಢವಾದ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ, నేను నేర్చుకుంటాననే నమ్మకం ఉంటే ఏదైనా సులభమే. నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు బ్రహ్మ విద్య, నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత అది కోతి విద్య. సో లెట్ us try. So number 2, abstract nouns of action formed from verbs. That means here let us take a verb plus suffix. I explained what is suffix. Some letters, a letter or 2 or 3, 4 letters which are joined at the ending of the word. ఒక్క పదము యొక్క చివరలో ఒక్క అక్షరం కానీ 2, 3, 4 అక్షరాలు కానీ చేర్చడం, దట్ ఈస్ సఫిక్స్. సో వర్బ్ ప్లస్ సఫిక్స్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్డ్? abstract noun is the coffee powder, milk. What is formed? Coffee. So like that. See, first of all, verb agree. Agree is the agree, agreed, agreeing. Agree is the verb. Suffix plus what? ment. You see, abstract nouns. Many abstract nouns are formed by joining ment. ment పైన చాలా abstract nouns వస్తాయి. ఒక 10 to 15 abstract nouns మనము ఇక్కడ మనకు టైం ప్లేస్ అడ్జస్ట్ కాదు. మీరు మీ లెసన్స్ చదివేటప్పుడు ఎంఈఎన్టీ చివరిలో వచ్చే పదాలను అండర్లైన్ చేసుకోండి. అవి తప్పకుండా abstract nouns ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಓದುವಾಗ ment ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಪದಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ 10-12 ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ment ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ment ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ment agree verb, arrange verb plus what is the suffix ment, what is the abstract noun? Arrangement. So something was arranged. Refresh verb plus ment refreshment. You see, manage plus ment management. Judge plus ment judgment. Govern plus ment government. Establish plus ment establishment. So like that you can note down from your textbook. Next, block. Block means something prevented, stopped. Block, BLOCK, not BLACK. So అడ్డగించడం, అడ్డు తగలడం, అడ్డబరాదు, ముందుకు ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్ ಮಾಡಾದು. Block plus yes. So blockage, something happened to the drainage, water is not going, some blockage is there. Blockage. Cover plus yes, TV coverage, media coverage. Cover plus yes, coverage. Leak. Leak plus yes, leakage. So like that. Man plus yes, manage. Next, number 7, AL. Here suffix is AL. Dispose plus AL. Disposal. Dispose plus AL. Disposal. So like that AL. Next, accept. These are many. There are so many using ANCE. Be careful regarding spelling. ANCE, ENCE. See, accept plus ANCE, acceptance. TANCE, ANCE. Appear plus ANCE, appearance. Depend plus, like that you know, you observe the words ending in ANCE. The suffix ANCE important. Then ENCE, depend plus ENCE, dependence. Depend is a verb plus ENCE, dependence. This is abstract noun. Differ. Differ means not agreeing. Differ plus ENCE, difference. Difference between two. ENCE. TION. Activate, activation. Present. ATION. Presentation. Like that. Occupation, here SION, TION, SION, which is correct, that you should observe. Here ANCE, ENCE. Where to use ANCE, where to use ENCE. So activate plus ATION, activation, E dropped and ATION suffix is used for activation. Cook plus ERY. Cook verb, what is suffix? ERY, cookery. Cook plus ERY. Choose, this is very important. Choose. You see? Choice. So, we drop OSE and we join ICE. Choose, choice, important. Admit, admission, SION, double SION. Don't confuse. You should observe in your textbook the words ending in single S or double S or TION. Admit, admission. Here T is dropped, SION. Suffix joined. Opt, option, opt, option. Select, selection. Then URE, very rare. Fail, failure, fail, failure, like that. I have listed some 17. Agree plus MENT, agreement. Arrange plus MENT, arrangement. Refresh plus MENT, refreshment. Manage plus MENT, management. Judge plus MENT, judgment. Punish plus MENT, punishment. Block plus A is blockage. Cover plus A is coverage. Dispose plus AL, disposal. Accept plus ANCE, acceptance. Appear plus ANCE, appearance. Depend plus ENCE, dependence. Differ plus ENCE, difference. Activate plus ATION, E dropped ATION, activation. Cook plus ERY, cookery. Choose, choice. OSE dropped, ICE joined. Admit, admittee dropped, SION, admission. Opt, option. Fail, failure. Present, presentation. Select, selection. Like that, remaining. You understood the concept. You understood the basic. Verb plus a suffix. What you are going to form? Abstract noun of action. Abstract noun of action. This is about abstract nouns of action formed from words. These are all words. These are all suffixes. These are all abstract nouns of action. Now coming to number 3. What is 3? Abstract nouns of state. స్టేట్ అంటేను కండిషను, కండిషన్ అంటే స్టేట్. ఈ రెండింటికి తెలుగులో అర్థం స్థితి. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಯಂಗ, ಓಲ್ಡ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೀನೇಜಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾರೀಡಾ, ಫಾದರಾ, ಮದರಾ, ಸಿಸ್ಟರಾ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್, noun plus suffix, you will get one more noun, that is abstract noun. So here all nouns. In the first one, adjectives. Second one, verbs. Third one, all are Nouns. Noun plus suffix. Again a noun. What noun? Abstract noun. Abstract noun of what? State or condition. Boyhood, girlhood, childhood, motherhood, fatherhood, kinghood, queenhood, hood, H-O-O-D, hood. You see, child plus hood, H-O, sorry. Child plus hood, childhood, okay. Boy plus hood, boyhood, boy plus hood, boyhood. Girl plus hood, girlhood, take down you. Mother plus hood, motherhood. Father plus hood, fatherhood. King plus hood, kinghood. Queen plus hood, queenhood. Brotherhood, sisterhood. Okay. And joining N. Here, noun. The name of a continent, name of country. America, American. Nigeria, Nigerian. Russia, Russian. Here I wrote Africa, African. Australia, Australian. Asia, Asian. Asian Games. India, Indian. America, American. Russia, Russian, like that. Agent. Agent is a noun. That is a person. Agent plus CY. If you add CY, what is formed? Agency. Agent plus CY, agency. Captain plus CY, captaincy. Captain plus CY, captaincy. And a friend. See, ship, using ship. Friend plus ship, friendship. Leader plus ship, leadership. Captain plus ship, captainship. Minister plus ship, ministership. So like that. Japan, Japan, China, Japan and China. After Japan, EESG become Japanese. Japan Prajalu. Indians అంటే ఇండియా ప్రజలు. జపాన్ ప్లస్ ఈఎస్ఈ జపనీస్. చైనా ప్లస్ ఈఎస్ఈ చైనీస్. Here lion plus ESS, lion male, సింహము. Lion plus ESS, sex changed female. Lioness is female, lion is male. Tiger plus ESS, tigress. You see here, ER becomes RE. TIGRESS, tiger, tigress. Poet, poetess. Author, authoress. So like that. And coming to host, hostess. So like that, joining ESS. Paint, paint plus ING. Paint is noun. What is the suffix? ING. Becomes painting. Floor plus ING, flooring. Seal plus ING, sealing. So by using ING also, we can form the nouns, abstract nouns of state or condition, you go through infant, infancy, infant, infancy. ఇన్ఫాంట్ అంటే ఒక 10 రోజుల లోపల వయసు ఉన్న పాప, ఇన్ఫాంట్. దానికి టీ తీసేసి సివై ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸಿವೈ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹುಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಹುಡ್, ಮದರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹುಡ್ ಮದರ್ಹುಡ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹುಡ್ kinghood, Africa plus N, African, India plus N, Indian, America plus N, American, Australia plus N, Australian, agent plus CY, agency, captain plus CY, captaincy. So like that. Friend plus ship, friendship. Relation plus ship, relationship. Like that, using ship, we can prepare abstract nouns. So, you observe the words ending in hood, the words ending in N, the words ending in CY, the words ending in ship, the words ending in ESE, ESS. You see, leader, leadership, Japan, Japanese, China, Chinese, lion, lioness, lion male, lioness female, tiger male, tigress, poet male, poetess, kavaitri, poet kavi, kavaitri, auditor, auditor, author, authoress, authoress, and there are so many, nearly 12 ending in ESS. If you observe, you will get nearly 12. Shepherd, shepherdess, prince, princess, you see. Paint, painting is abstract noun. Floor, flooring, seal, sealing, like that, abstract nouns. Okay, noun plus suffix plus what you get? Abstract nouns. So this is about abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, you should, in examination, spelling test, they give wrong spelling, you have to identify. See, TION instead of TION, SION, instead of SION, SSION will be given. For poor, poverty, poverty ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇದರಿಕಂ, ಹಣ ಇಲ್ದೋರು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಪೂರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ, ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ದೋರು. ಪೂರ್ನೆಸ್, ದಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪೂರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪೂರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಪೂರ್, poorness. You should observe the difference using poorness or poverty, which is correct. So wrong word will be given, wrong spelling will be given. Management is. Here management singular, but some abstract nouns may be singular, may be plural. So one must be careful according to the sentence. An abstract noun may be a singular noun or plural noun. So be careful about abstract nouns. So we have learnt abstract nouns of quality. Quality means formed from adjectives. Abstract nouns of action. Action means work. Work means verb. So these abstract nouns are formed from verb by adding a suffix. Next, last abstract nouns of state are condition number 3. So they are noun to noun. If we add 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 letters to a noun, again abstract noun of state or condition is formed. So concentration is the key. ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ you will learn whatever the subject may be. మనకు నేర్చుకోవాలనే ఒక కోరిక ఉండాలి, ఒక స్ట్రాంగ్ అంబిషన్ ఉండాలి. Then we automatically learn. So don't waste the time. Time is very valuable. Every minute which is past, you can't get. Past is past. That's why there is a proverb, time and tide waits for none. Some people say time and tide wait, not wait. Time and tide, not plural subject, singular. Here time and tide give only one meaning in the context. Time won't stop for you. Tide means in a sea or ocean, the movement of water is called a tide. But the wave is not different. Wave rises and downs, but water moves. Take the ship. This is a proverb to the fishermen. Early morning 5 o'clock, the tide moves towards the sea. So if you take before 5, you can easily go into the sea to catch the fish. After 5, the waves move against the shore. Now your ship can't move, your boat can't move even a single feet. So a fisherman will be very conscious. They get up very early in the morning. If they get up very early in the morning, they can catch the fish, which is only their livelihood. That's why it warns you. Hello students, rise early. In childhood, you learn some good habits. I rise early. Yes, you should rise early. I sleep early. Yes. If you sleep early, you will get up early. So proverbs are said by experienced people. There is no time bound for the proverbs, idioms. No present, past or future. At any time you can use these proverbs, but these proverbs must be always in present tense. See, knowledge is power. Don't say knowledge was power. Don't say practice made perfect. Wrong. Practice makes perfect. Necessity is, not was. Necessity is the mother of invention. Don't cry over the spilt milk. Not didn't cry over the spilt milk. The proverbs always in present tense. Okay. So, from tomorrow onwards, noun number. That is singular number, plural number. But for some nouns, no plurals. Then how to use them in singular as well as plural. That is grammar point. So tomorrow let us learn noun, number, how plurals are formed. What suffix you use? Boy. What is the suffix to make plural? Yes. Girl. Girls. Box. Not yes. Es. Boxes. Fox. Foxes. See? Lady. IES. Drop Y under IES. This is very important in exam point of view. For high school students, very important. What is the plural? What is the singular form? Which nouns have no plurals? Then how to make them plurals? And then noun gender. Gender means male or female. So noun gender, how many kinds? Masculine gender, feminine gender, new common gender, neuter gender, 4 genders are there. And then noun case. So these 3, noun number, noun gender, noun case. With these 3, we will successfully complete noun. Then we go for pronouns. What are pronouns? That we learn afterwards. So please check your textbooks. Wherever you get abstract nouns, you underline them and try to recognize whether they are abstract nouns of quality or action or state or condition. Then you will practice makes perfect. Don't be lazy. Don't sit like a rock. Work like a clock. You know, very good proverbs. పెద్దల మాట పెరగన్న మూట ఊరికే చెప్పరు. మెరిసేదంతా బంగారం కాదు. చూసారా, నిండు కుండ తొణకదు. సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అడుగుతారు. ఫ్యూచర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రావర్బ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ 2 sentences. For that you will get 2 marks. Okay, thank you. Good night, my dear students. Let us meet tomorrow. Okay, once again, good night. Please take down. Don't make spelling errors. Look at the board. You will get plenty of time when you go through when you watch this video, you can leisurely take down what are the spellings, how to make abstract nouns. Practice. I can't explain all the abstract nouns in a video. It takes 1 day. But we have no time. Just I will give you a grid, but you should follow it. That's all.